he had a lot of heart. Picking up a basketball made him feel like there was hope. If he didn't play ball, he'd probably be selling dope. No father figure in a single parent home, and so much going on made him feel like he was grown, that he had to go hard in the gym like a champ. And all he thought about was him and his camp. He say, fam, we gon' make it. That's all I gotta say, cause at the end of the day, I'm talking NBA contracts. It's a fact, mom ain't got a lot of grip, so I gotta play hard to get the college scholarship. That's exactly what he did. Little homie's on the way, but little does he know that he is being led astray. Cause fulfilling your dreams may get you out of the trap, but there is a sin problem that's way bigger than that, the life.
You know that I'm calling you.